everyone, welcome back to the podcast. If you're a new listener, welcome to the show. I call it the show.
You keep saying it.
Because it's become
Eventually, we're gonna be on TV, man, on all channels. Like what is his name? Caesar Milan.
And you had Murph Griffin way back and Carson and stuff.
Johnny Carson.
I know. I think it's I don't know. So if you're a veteran, thanks for coming back and listening. But today I want to, usually we don't do like in the sense of kind of giving you a little news, but we just released this video. It's about leash handling. And it's a really good one.
It's somewhat dramatic, I think, but it's good.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's titled, "Are you using your leash correctly?"
Are you using your leash correctly?
That's the title of the video that we just released.
And there's a way how to correct the dog, how hard to correct it.
Yeah.
You know, in what direction, and you know the complex of they say no and why. You know, the no is like growling, and the correction is like bite of the dominant dog on the dog's neck.
Yeah.
And all that, and you know, because I noticed that when people correcting dog, it's just more like a reminder.
You can't call you're correcting the dog like a hummingbird.
Yeah, or butterfly.
Butterfly.
You couldn't correct a hummingbird.
Yeah, I mean it's so light the correction. You know. So,
yeah, you gotta imagine the dominant dog, how hard he would hit the other dog on the neck.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you should do it that much, but you gotta come close to the certain thresholds, and we talk about the different thresholds.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna reveal the secrets here, but But I think it's a good video for beginner trainers especially. Yeah. But even for people who are advanced trainers.
That's what I was gonna say, because if you hear this title, like, are you sure you're using it correctly? And you might be listening. Well, yeah, pretty good. I mean, I had dogs for many years, and you know, and it seems basic. And okay, Hans, I know that one, right?
Yeah, Hans, just shut up.
But I'm telling you guys, this video that we just released, it's a really good one, because it'll reveal some things that you might have thought you knew, or you kind of were on the brink of it, but Hans will kind of, you know, really explain
Make it real.
Make it real. So the video starts out with Hans, you know, giving like basically a small lecture, and then the students, you'll see the students, and I want to reveal it, but it's pretty cool what the students are doing in the video, and Hans goes one by one with the students.
Right.
Yeah, and shows.
And some of the students correcting the dog too hard, you know. So.
Yeah.
So, you know,
that's why
they're overly enthusiastic.
Yeah,
you know?
so this is real.
But we describe what's too high, what's not high enough, and all that. So.
And the reason I think this is a great video, because these are actual students. This is not like, it's not staged.
This is
like,
my Saturday
training
class.
Yeah, Saturday class. So we just want to do this short little video. So March 30th, where the price will go up.
20%.
20%. We're knocking 20% off right now from the video. Make sure you, it's like $39 right now for the video. It'll jump up to $49, I believe.
Yeah.
So make sure you click on, right below this video, you'll see the link. Again, that link will take you right there, but it will change. It will go up March 30th. So if you want to save 20%, we're just excited about this new video, and it's definitely one of the things.
That's a good price, you know.
It's a good price. It's a fair price.
Hey, you can go to McDonald's and
it's pretty much a burger. That's a burger. $39 for a burger. And it doesn't include your Coke or fries
or milkshake.
A milkshake. So it's a good one. And the great thing when you purchase one of these videos is that, you know, you can go into the free Facebook group, or even here on YouTube, you can make remarks, and Hans always loves and enjoys, not just loves and enjoys, with the feedback from all of you. And
just be gentle.
Be gentle. You guys have been gentle.
You don't have to be gentle. Just be nice. Be nice.
They have been nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, people have been
I'm actually kind of surprised that the feedback is, generally speaking, pretty friendly.
The folks are really.
It's different than when I post something on Facebook. Everybody says, "Oh, Hans, let's kill Hans."
Yeah.
I call it Hans derangement syndrome.
Yeah. Well, there's always.
That's okay.
That's okay.
It keeps me on my toes.
That's right.
It keeps me young.
All right, guys. So click below this video, and you'll be taken to the page, and then the offer is good until March 30th for the 20% off. So we'll see you guys next time.
Ahoy.
Bye.